Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the chill guy meme. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve over to the left, bringing it down and out. Now at the end here, let's draw the nose. Let's draw a large curve down and back up like this. And then color the nose in black. Now underneath the nose, let's draw a curve down and over. And then a small angle underneath. Next, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve up and back down for the first ear. And then a small curve across underneath. And then the second ear with a larger curve up and back down. And then add a curve inside. Now for the back of the head, let's draw a curve down, stopping here. And then a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top, underneath the first ear, and let's draw a curve. And then another curve next to it on the left. Now from the ends, let's draw a small line down. And then a curve across at the bottom. And then color both of the eyebrows in black. Now underneath the right eyebrow, let's draw another small curve, and then an angle down on the left. Now let's add another curve underneath, and then thicken this line up slightly. Now let's bring it down on the right side, and another curve on the left. And then a curve underneath on the right for the pupil. And color this in black. Now let's hop over and let's draw the other eye. For this one, let's start with a small curve, and then a curve over to the right. And again, let's thicken this one up. Now let's add an angle underneath on the left, and then a curve underneath on the right for the pupil. And again, let's color this in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a small curve on the bottom right, and then curve it down and over. And then one more curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a small curve down. And then a curve across. Now let's add some striped lines inside. Next, on the left side, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw the arm. At the top here, let's draw a curve. Then let's bring it down and curve it in. And then inside here, let's draw a line down. Now underneath this line, let's draw a curved angle. and then curve it back down to close off the arm. Now for the end of the sleeve, let's draw a small angle down underneath and curve it back out. Lastly, for this arm, let's draw a curve inside at the top and 2 at the elbow. And that's it for the first arm. Now top back over to the left and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the sweater. And then another curve underneath. And add some striped lines inside. Next, underneath on the left side, let's draw a curve down. And then from the top left, let's angle it down and curve it in for the other arm. Now we're going to hop inside and draw another curve at the bottom and 2 small curves at the elbow. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the pants. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw an angled line down. And then a line down on the right side. Now top inside, and at the top, let's draw a curve down and over, and 1 more underneath. And then 2 curves on the right side. Now underneath, let's draw a longer curve across. And then 2 angled lines down underneath like this. Now let's draw the cuffs at the bottom of the pants. Let's start with a curve across on the right side, and then bring it down on both ends. And then close it off with the curve across. Now for the left leg, let's draw a curve out, bring it down at the end, and curve it back in. Now that we have the shape of the pants, let's add some details. On the right side, let's draw 2 lines down, and then underneath this, a zigzag line in the cuff. And now on the top right, let's draw 2 angled lines, and then 2 more on each of the knees. And that's it for the pants. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the shoes. Let's start underneath the right leg and let's draw a line down on the right, and then a small angle on the left side. Now start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve over to the left and back down. And then a wavy line across the bottom. Now let's draw a small line down for the front and back. And then another wavy line across the bottom. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and back up for the laces. And then another curve inside. And lastly, an angle up next to it on the right. And that's it for the first shoe. Now let's move over and let's draw the left side. Let's start with a small angle down underneath, and then a curve up and back down for the toe of the shoe. And then curve it back in all the way to the other shoe. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down and curve it over as well. Now top in and let's draw the laces with a curve down, another one inside, and an angle up on the right. And that's it for the chill guy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!